Otumako Ezom Rubik Cube Pattern. Rubik Cube Art 3D Combination Puzzle. Standard Rubik Cube Avenine Faces on Side of the Square Cube en FACE on of 6 Solid Color. A traditional way to solve the Rubik Cube be returning at blocks sota face of the cube a only on color. 1. OV, since the cube creation in 1974, there have been many way found to solve the Rubik Cube. Of them create some sort of repetitive design of the face of the cube. Creating a zigzag. Star with a solve Rubik Cube. Your Rubik Cube will need to be in solve position to create a zigzag pattern. In the solve position, a face of your cube should be on continue color. Turn opposite side in opposite direction. Holding your Rubik Cube in your hand, you will need to turn a side on click in opposite direction. On side will go forward will to take backward. Star be looking at the red side of your cube. Make sure that blue side to the right of the red. While looking at the red side of your cube, turn the right side of the cube and click forward. After you do so, there should be three red square on the top right of your cube. Next, turn the left side of the cube and click backward. There should also be three red on the bottom left side of your cube. You should not only three red cubes on the front center of your cube. 2. Place a small piece of tape on the center cube. You will need to return to the red side of the cube for another set of turn. To make it easy to return to this side, pre-placing a small piece of tape on the center cube. Go to the blue side. Turn your cube to the left so that the solid dark blue face in front of you. While looking at the blue side, you will need to turn to opposite side in opposite direction, just like you did with the red side. First, turn the right side of the cube and click forward, then turn the left side of the cube and click backward. You will have a blue strip down the center from your cube when you are done. 3. You may also want to mark this side with a different piece of tape because you will need to return to the blue side again and repeat the process. 3. Marking the piece of tape with a B for blue. Return to the red side. Go back to the red side, the side that you marked with tape, and turn to opposite side in opposite direction again. 11. Again, turn the right side of your Rubik Cube and click forward and the left side and click backward. Only red remaining on the face will be in the center. Repeat the process. Turn back to your blue side and repeat turn on opposite side. 10. Return once more to the red side and turn to opposite side in opposite direction. En last, return once more to the blue side and turn to opposite side in opposite direction. When you finish, you should have a staircase like zigzag across four sides of your Rubik Cube. 4. Creating a checkerboard. Start with a solve Rubik Cube. You need to start with your cube in the solve position to make a checkerboard pattern. Also known as chessboard, your Rubik Cube will have a checker pattern on a side when you are done. Turn the side. Begin by looking at the green side of your cube. Turn the right side of the cube to click forward. The three green square should end up on the opposite side of the cube. 10. Stay facing at the green side take left side of the cube and turn it to click forward avec point anti-slash. Turn the top and bottom. Keep the green center cube facing you. 10. Turn the top clockwise by 180 degrees, to click. Turn the bottom row 180 degrees avec point anti-slash. Make your final spin. With the green center block stay facing you. Turn the front face of your cube by 180 degrees, to click, if you are turning radial. Turn the back side of your cube by 180 degrees avec. You've now created a checkerboard on all sides of your cube. Making a fiche. Begin with your cube solve. Once again, you want to start off with your Rubik Cube in solve position. Making a fiche pattern on your Rubik Cube is simple. Tant reçu will have swapped to edge piece so that remaining on look like a fiche with fin. If you alt cube diagonally it will look like a fish swimming away from you. Mac 280° twist. Star with the surface facing you. 10. Turn the front face of the cube by 180°, to click. No, take the right side and twist it 180° avel. Repeat it retim. Keep the with cube in front of you and again twist the front of it 180°. Turn the right side, then the front face, and the right side on more time. Always keep the with face in front of you by making sure the center cube of the face with. Look at the top of your Rubik cube. When you are finished, you should affish a chapter looks to get is swimming away. The four cent piece are body and the three remaining are fin.